Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about half-head pixie cut. That sounds like a cool style choice. A half-head pixie cut can be a super chic and trendy. Are you planning to go for a bold and asymmetrical look with the pixie cut? It's always fun to switch up your hairstyle and try something new. Have you had a pixie cut before, or is this your first time experimenting with this style? Tell me in the comment section. It's awesome that you are open to trying out different hairstyle. If you're looking for more hairstyle ideas, how about considering a layered bob, a sleek bob, or even some fun colorful highlights? To cut a half head pixie cut, you will want to section off the hair you want to keep longer and the hair you want to cut short. Start by cutting the shorter side with scissors or clippers to your desired length. Then blend the longer side into the shorter side, creating a seamless transition. It's a good idea to have a professional stylist help you with this style to ensure it turns out just the way you want it. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.